Welcome to Tech Radar, and today we'll be talking about Windows 11's new features and improvements that were released in preview build 25300. Windows 11 is putting a spin on snap layouts, giving users the ability to clearly see which app windows are in the layout and providing descriptive titles. We'll be taking a closer look at the changes to Snap, new accessibility features, and the benefits all of these can have for your Windows 11 experience. Microsoft has made snap layouts easier to use by shortening the time needed to hover the cursor and display the flyout. With the new live caption feature, users now have more language options and access to voices typing that can be synced across multiple devices. Accessibility settings are becoming more user-friendly with the help of Microsoft's focus on the development of Windows 11. Voice dictation is a practical implementation of speech recognition and can save users time in their work. Finally, with the new feature of suggestions, Windows 11 is hoping to get more users to embrace the power and flexibility of Snap layouts. Stay tuned to learn more about how Snap or Snap Assist can be used. That's all we have to share today, but make sure to keep updated with us at Tech Radar to get the latest on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.